Samsung is anticipated to issue the One UI 7.0 beta update next week, following months of delays. However, some design elements and changes that were anticipated for the update have unexpectedly appeared on Galaxy Book laptops. Earlier today, Samsung updated the Galaxy Book Experience app on Galaxy Books to version 3.4.0, which includes the One UI Book 6.1 software for its Windows laptops. Some One UI 7.00 stock app icons, such as those for Samsung Notes, SmartThings, and Tips, were revealed in this update. These icons are consistent with the One UI 7.0 app icons that were leaked a few weeks ago. The Samsung Notes app, which was previously leaked and received conflicting reactions, remains unaltered. However, there is a prevailing belief that Samsung will modify it for the final version of One UI 7.0. The Tips app icon has undergone minor modifications, including a paler yellow hue and more straightforward iconography. Samsung has been striving to integrate the One UI design into all of its digital appliances, including smartwatches, notebooks, PCs, and televisions. Samsung has announced that the One UI 7.0 beta update will be released by the end of the year, with the stable version anticipated to be released in the early part of the following year. Samsung is preparing to release the One UI 7.0 beta for the Galaxy S24 series in the near future. The initial beta firmware, with a build version ending in ZXKB, has been detected on Samsung's server, suggesting that an announcement may be imminent. The One UI 7.0 beta release, which was originally scheduled to occur between July and August, has been postponed. Now, it appears that Samsung's most recent premier models are on the brink of commencing the beta program. Samsung's software server has listed a beta build for the first time. Tarun Bhatt posted the screenshot on Twitter and announced that the Galaxy S24 series has recently detected the initial One UI 7 beta build on the test server. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.